Hi everyone, welcome to another video. This is going to be a short one. I just wanted to open these two boxes up with you because I haven't actually had a look myself yet. And I just thought we would do that together. So as you can see, I have ordered two Archer and Olive notebooks. And I ordered them from a Swedish company called Textile. And they always give you a thank you card with some information about their social media and their website. I also got a thank you note to say, hi Annalie, thank you. A nice pen as a gift. Kind regards, Ashley. And I got this Staedtler metallic pen. And it's this color, so I'm not gonna write a sample to show you, but it's just a lovely pink, and pink is my favorite color, so I'm really grateful for this gift. Thank you so much to Textile. Okay, so I'm gonna put that aside. I have ordered two different sizes this time, and I have had my eyes on these two for quite a while. It's a TN size notebook, and it's a letter size, so hence why the massive difference in size. Let's open them up, shall we? So I'm gonna start with the TN. Hang on. Okay, so I have to open it up this way, I think. Okay, there we go. And I love these boxes, they are so pretty. So, okay, okay, wow. Oh, it's so nice. Okay, so this is the stack of books cover, and like a deep teal. That is so luscious. It's the fabric one. I think it's the linen cover. But now they're slowly moving over to buckwheat, I think, cover. So this is the inside with the gold embossed. Okay, so only on the front page. This book belongs to page. And then you have your dot grid pages in here. Wow, that's lovely. I think I will put all the details of these two notebooks in the description down below. But I do think this is a... Oh yeah, okay, so 144 dot grid pages, and it's 160 GSM ultra thick pages. Yeah, lovely. And I'm gonna make this a list book, I thought. Just a collection of different lists, and that's why I wanted this format, because I think I normally go for the A5, but just thought I would mix it up, and this would be nice. It just reminds me of, you know, the list pads that you can get for the grocery type of format. So yeah, that's the list book. Let's put that over there. Okay, now for the the grand reveal, I feel. So this is from the Attic Heritage limited edition, fall edition, I think. And oh, let me just try to get that out without smashing. Ooh, that's a heavy beast. Okay, I am so excited because I haven't seen this color anywhere, and I haven't seen the cover in person. Wow. Oh, it's so beautiful. Okay, let me see if I can get all of it in the frame because it's so big. So the letter size is the closest to A4 that you can get. Check this out. Oh, look at the spine. Can't even fit it in the frame. That's brilliant. Okay, so that's the spine. This is just so gorgeous, so lovely. And I've had my eyes on this since the release. And just thought, no, I'm gonna regret it. If I don't get it, I will regret it once it's gone. Yeah. Okay, so let's... So it's the dot grid pages. And look at this. Look at it, it's, yeah, oh my god. I just feel like I have to, yeah, and then the massive big back pocket. I mean, I will have to figure out a really special occasion to use this. Maybe... I mean, my thought is to use it as some sort of a memory book or a vision board book. You could also get this with a lined paper or with a blank paper, but I just thought that the dot grid pages were more versatile. Once I decide what to use it for, dot grid, you know, would work best, I think. So look at the box. That's just, and it says Attic Treasures 2024, and it's the, yeah, so the letter size heirloom journal. It's the vegan leather cover. And it's also 160 GSM. Doesn't actually state. Oh yeah, so maybe it's 100 and, yeah, it's 160 pages in here as well. Oh, wow. I don't know what else to say, but wow. Yeah. They're just, and I have a few Ultra olives. In Sweden it's not as easy to get a hold of, but you know, you can get some of them, or you can have them shipped from the States. But obviously now with the added tariffs and everything that's going on, it might be slightly too expensive. But if you're in Sweden, if you're looking to get some Ultra olives, please go on to tidsformera.se or tidsformera.se and check their stock out, because they do have quite a few Ultra olives on there. Okay, so this was the unboxing video for these two babies. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye everyone.